Hey, what's up? What if I don't feed my starter? It's gonna still make a good bread? We are going to find out together. I have two mini sourdough bread, one made with Unfed Starter, which been into my fridge like 4 days, and the other one made as usual. So let's get into this, shall we? I put my starter out of the fridge and feed the one I want to use for my regular dough. After 5 hours, boom. Active starter into the bowl for my regular dough and pass the floating test as usual. For my second dough, I'm gonna use an Unfed Starter, which not gonna float or little bit. Everything would be the same for both dough, and you can check out the description for the recipe. Let them rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this was my regular dough and this is the Unfed Starter dough. Time to give them 2 sets of stretch and fold, and this one is the first set. Regular dough done. Same thing happened to the Unfed Starter dough. Another 30-minute rest and another set of stretch and fold, then they're gonna rest for 45 minutes and I'm gonna start coil fold. As you can see, both dough have developed beautifully. Another 45-minute rest and another set of coil fold. Let them finish their bulk fermentation for up to 2 hours. My room temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius. Time to pre-shape them. Start with Unfed Starter dough. I see a little bit more fermentation going on here. Don't know why. And my regular dough, which looks amazing. Let them rest uncovered on the counter for 20 minutes. Shaping time. For all of these steps and process, I have video on my channel. Go and check it out later. Unfed Starter dough shaping done. Into the banneton. And everything would be the same for my regular dough. I let them cold proof inside the fridge for about 10 hours. The day after, early morning, I score them and bake them. And here is the result. My regular bread has a little bit more oven spring. First, regular bread. Nice open crumb. And the one I made with Unfed Starter. This one also quite nice, I can say. My favorite part, tasting time. Start with Unfed Starter bread. Taste very nice and the crumb is super light as usual. And my regular bread, the only thing I can say is little bit crispier crust. But taste almost the same. I don't see any difference, but maybe if my starter was into the fridge for longer time, the result would be different. What do you think about this experiment? If you like this video and you want to support my channel, you can like this video, give me a super like, share this video with your friend, and subscribe my channel so you don't miss my next video. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself.